In a world full of noise, true luxury is found in the details. Introducing Aureum Sound. It's not just about what you hear, it's about how you feel. Crafted with brushed gold and matte black finishes, these aren't just headphones, they are a statement. Experience the golden standard of audio. Aureum Sound. Your ears deserve this.
This tutorial breaks down the step-by-step process of transforming a single product image into professional commercial. We will explore how the AI drafted a sophisticated marketing narrative, created a professional brand protagonist named Alice, and established a tech luxury visual style using matte black and brushed gold texture. You will see the entire automated workflow in action, from designing a dialogue-driven storyboard to generating resonant AI audio and assembling the final high-definition production. Let's dive in. Okay, to go to Digen AI, you can use your Google search. You say Digen. You say Digen AI. This is Digen AI. Then it brings you to this interface, Digen AI, free AI video generator, Digen.ai. So when you click it, it prompts you to register using your email address, and it brings you to this interface. You come to this interface, and it gives you daily credit. For the start, you have about 200 credit for a start. You have about 200 credit, and on a daily basis, as you log in, you have more credit now. You can see the Digen AI playground. You can see the creative visuals. The creative visual. These are the popular creation. You can see how realistic, how stunning the images and the videos are. You can see what you can use Digen AI to do. You can see that, look at the applications, and you can also find the tools, AI video upscaler, remove video watermark, which is part of the AI, the tools that you need in Digen AI. You can explore more AI features, AI video generator, AI video space, text to video AI, image to video AI, AI video editor, lead motion video, act motion, okay, and so on and so forth. We have several things to leverage on using Digen AI, but the focus of today's tutorial is how to tell a marketing story. Yeah, it's about marketing storytelling using Digen AI Agent. And when you get to this interface, you can see this bar here. You can see Agent here. You click on Agent. When you click on Agent, it takes you to the interface where you can tell a story about your product. You can see the new story. If you want to click a news, you click on new story. Now, if you want to tell a marketing story, you can look at the prompt bar here. You can see the prompt box here. You have several agents here. We have movie maker, we have short maker, we have drama studio, we have music video, we have movie spicy, we have short maker fast, we have marketing video, we have movie maker pro, we have AI avatar. We also have more. You can see by the left hand side the bar, we have new story, we have search, we have your library here, and we have every creation that you have. You have it under all stories here, all story here. You can see the credit I have. I still have 221 credits. It is called memes in Digen AI. Okay, if you want to tell a marketing story using Digen AI Agent, or you want to tell a movie story, or you want to tell a folktale, you can choose any of these agents below here. But the agent I chose was marketing video. I click on marketing video, and it brings this to you. And if you want to do a marketing video, you have a product, you can use this plus sign to upload, to add from local files. I uploaded this. You can see the headphone. Okay, this is what I uploaded on Digen AI to tell a marketing story. Okay, and what I did was to just go ahead and click on the submit to generate. And what it did was that, let me click on the result here. Click on the result here. You can see what it gave to me. You can see what it gave to me. You can see I say create a marketing video of the attached product, and this is the product I attached. And Digen says, I did be happy to help you create professional marketing video for this product. It says, I have analyzed the image you provided and will use it as the core visual reference for the production. To get started, please choose the video orientation that best fits your niche. The first thing you're going to choose the video orientation. I choose landscape, and it went ahead to create. It now say, please wait a moment while I prepare the foundation for your video. Then it created a script overview, which contains the item and the content. You can see it's the episode, the golden standard of sound. We have series. We have episode 1 scope, full product intro, which is 45 seconds. Synopsis, a premium showcase of the Arium sound headphones, focusing on design and luxury. You can see now. That is just it. We have character voice after that. After the script overview, we have character voice. The character is Alex, the role is protagonist, and we have voice description, professional, sophisticated, and warm. The next one, after the character voice, we have dialogue bits. You can see the dialogue bits. You can see now. Alex main the character. The first one is the hook and intro, and the second one is design details. We have brand value, and we have CTA stroke outro. So that is it. We have the shot for each dialogue bit. The first one is 1 shot, the second one is 2 short. You can see now, and the seconds that we have making up to 45 seconds. You can see now, the script and character profiles for the golden standard of sound are now ready. I have designed a sophisticated marketing narrative that highlights the premium craftsmanship of the, you can see how it is. The next one, the character voice design. We have the voice description, we have the preview text. There's a preview text. We have it here now. The character here, and it helps you visualize the scene. This is the scene for the. This is the image for the scene. That's the image for the character. So the reference image, and this is a storyboard for golden standard of sound, and it created the storyboard for it. You can see the storyboard. You can see the name, the dialogue, the speaker, the visual focus, the duration. This is what Digen AI Agent does. This is insane. You can see now the dialogue-driven storyboard for Golden is now complete. I say the dialogue-driven storyboard is now complete. So the dialogue of the storyboard is, look at the dialogue, yeah? Look at the statement that will be made in the story. You can see now. You now say that by alternating between Alex persuasive delivery and extreme close-up, you can see the image, the storyboard as an image. Now you can see it. You can see now. Wow. You can see all the elements needed. You can see the storyboard as the image proper. You can see now, you come down here, it talks about the face and the status. It helps you create, it's just like a producer, like it helps you create a production. You can see the audio overview, we have the project title, and so on and so forth. You can see, you come down here, it takes you, after generating the script, after generating the character, the environment, and every other script that need to generate, you now finally generate the video for each shot. And you can see this is the video for each shot. Let's play the first one.
In a world full of noise, true luxury is found in the details. In a world full of noise.
That was the first shot. This is the video for the second shot.
Introducing Orium sound. It's not just about what you hear, it's about how you feel.
That's just it. The third shot.
They are a statement.
The fourth one.
Experience the golden standard of audio.
You can see the consistency.
Your ears deserve this.
Wow, that is it. And it brings all those shots, it brings them into a single video. And this is the final production. Click it.
In a world full of noise, true luxury is found in the details. Introducing Orium sound. It's not just about what you hear, it's about how you feel. Crafted with brushed gold and matte black finishes, these aren't just headphones, they are a statement.
Wow, this is just insane. It is too good to believe. You can see now, you can see Digen AI, the storytelling platform, is very, very, very top notch. Digen AI Agent does everything for you. It does your marketing storytelling for you perfectly. And it helps you to create a consistent character. And you can see the product I uploaded. There's no difference. There's the product. You can see the product now. There's no difference. So that is how you can leverage Digen AI storytelling. If you want to tell another story, you click on new story. Then it takes you to the interface here. And these are several templates, several stories created already using the Digen AI. You can see these are several stories told already. You can decide to click on a particular story and get ideas from them. You can see this is Digen AI. You can tell your story free. You have free credit to create your visuals. You can see, 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 you can see. That is that. That is that. That is Digen AI story. That is how to use Digen AI Agent to create a visual for yourself, and it helps us to create from the script to the storyboard and to the final production. So I want you to explore this AI tool. It is free. It is free, and it is too good to believe that it can do that kind of perfect job. You can see this is just a very good, very good creation. Very good job from Digen AI. Thank you very much. I want to believe you enjoy this tutorial. I want you to please subscribe to my channel, like, and also share. Be the best.